All right. Here it is. Here it is. This is very early on. I don't know anybody else that has this yet. I mean, there's some guys up on YouTube already that has it, but here it is. The iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the big boy, the gold edition. Haven't seen anybody with the gold one yet. But here it is. This is the big boy. I want to do a quick unboxing of it. This is not going to be one of those super techie videos that tells you all the specifics of it, this and that. There's a lot of guys out there that know everything about the iPhone. I'm not that guy. I just love iPhones. And I just got these in, one for me, one for Cookie. And I wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you what's inside the box. All right, so let's get into it. Now, so there's the tag. As you can see from the waves, the bubbles, it is the gold model. This phone is super back ordered, we know that, all right? All right, it's just to cut out, what's in here, anything? No, all right. There it is, there's the back. All right, let's first go over what's in the box. What do you get in the box? Okay, you get this cable. Some people said that it was going to be like a rope cable. It's the same cable, but it's lightning. All right, to all right. So it's to the C. It's lightning to the C. All right. You get a little paperwork, the stickers. All right. Yeah. So instruction booklet and your stickers. But like they said, there is no power brick in here. So all you get is the cable and a sticker. No power brick. So that has been confirmed. All right, so this is the phone. From first, just first impression, it feels like a premium product. It like it has a I don't know, like a premium feel. I don't know if it's the metal on the sides here. I don't know what this is. It doesn't feel like aluminum. Maybe it's a stainless steel. And it has a heft. It has a weight to it. It's definitely heavier than my 8 Plus. Yeah, and it has gold. So if this is steel, it's all gold around the edges. And there's the camera system with the LiDAR scanner and all that. Still have a slot for the lightning connector. It definitely feels like a premium product. Definitely feels much better than my 8 Plus. I'm glad to upgrade. I'm glad I was able to get this. This is back ordered from my carrier now till March, especially in this gold color. I guess people were really excited about the gold. So yeah, what is this? Is this a slot? I don't know what that is. That's a SIM tray, I guess. So yeah, I'm real excited about starting to shoot videos in this. And I just wanted to give you a quick peek at the new Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. The gold one. And I also wanted to show you what's in the box. Take away all the speculation. There is no power brick in the box. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. By the way, if you're into watches, we talk Rolex watches every Sunday night here on the Profit Rolex and Real Estate channel. All right, I'm out.